So once you have installed the entire carriage system, your reinforcement and everything, then while you're installing the panniers, you will notice that the panniers, the right hand side pannier comes with a rub plate like this. It already has slots and the corresponding slots are available on the box as well. And for the left hand side pannier as well, there is a plate like this, right? Which is, this rub plate is mounted over here. I want to show you. So if you notice here, this is the rub plate. This rub plate is already has the slots and the corresponding slot is there on the box. Now the important part is, how do you mount your bolt? This is very important that we follow the same sequence. So the bolt has basically, it's a M8 bolt, Allen head. It's about 50 mm long. You will first put a M8 washer. You'll get a M8 washer. Then you will get a M10 washer. After that, it will have a eccentric, long plate. It's more of a weight distribution plate that we have mounted over here. After that, this rubber, you will get a rubber like this. This rubber has to be put because there are slots on the box. If you do not put the rubber, water will seep in from there and you don't want that, right? Then this will go in and touch the aluminium part of the pannier from inside. This part, the rubber, will be the last member to touch the aluminium part. Then outside the aluminium part, again on the outside, you will have another rubber washer, then a metal washer, another rubber washer, and then the frame here. Then this particular frame here. The frame has 4 bushes welded onto the frame. Now on that bush, you will basically, on the outside of the bush, between the bush and the rub plate, you will have this particular washer, the rubber washer. After the bolt comes out from the frame, you are welcome to use another washer and put another dome nut, a nut with a crown. This is just for double safety. And if you notice in some of our old videos, we have replaced these from mushroom head bolts to Allen head bolts. Because of frequent use, these bolts will give you much better life than the mushroom head bolts. And please use a little amount of thread locker if you are engaging in an extremely long ride. So that's about it for the panniers. On both the sides, same thing. Also on this side, you have a rub plate over here. So this is the rub plate. Rub plate already has slots and we have mounted it in this way. And it's important to put the rubber washer inside and outside of the aluminium. So if this is aluminium, it will have a round rubber washer on the outside and a flat 6 mm rubber washer on the inside. Thank you.